life insurance.
Well, not just economic,
and you do need that health
health-wise.
insurance.
No, but people who are married are statistically,
You live
they say they're healthy. They're more healthy than they are.
You live longer. I mean, this is really deeper than just, we talk about it on the surface, which is about relationships. This is really much deeper than what we talk about here. You need to be, people need to couple up. You get sick, you need somebody to see about you. For real. That's what married people do. They love each other and they see about each other. When you lose your job, then you don't have health insurance. Maybe your husband does, maybe. But if you don't have no husband, there's nobody else to have health insurance. And you maybe can't afford a co, but then you're at your mom and daddy house if you're lucky. I'm just saying, this is real stuff, and it's crippling us as a people and as a community that we are not married. 70% of black women not being married, it ain't gonna work. It is breaking us down.
And being able to raise kids and, God forbid, break the cycle of raising all of our men with a female soul household, which is a huge contributor to the fact that we don't have young men who are prepared to be good husbands and or good fathers, because there is no male role model in their life. And I think that's the huge tragedy that we have. Most women cannot find men that they think are credible for them, primarily because they don't have strong men in their life to teach them how to be that. And until we figure this out, until we realize that we have to make those sacrifices for that to happen, we will continue to have this conversation. Bottom line.
We're asking for this, you're asking for this, we're giving you a gift.
Treat
so that's kind
the
of
male and female equally.
And I've always
That's
maintained,
what will make a
y'all are much
relationship
smarter
work.
than we are. You just have to learn how to use it.
Straight talk. And every time this group is such a diverse group, and we talk about relationships and single black men and single black women, it's always a very heated but insightful and a conversation that we learn from each other. So I think if you've never been in the book club and you're looking for one, this is one that probably would love to attend. And we welcome your opinion and hope to see you next book club. Thank you.
Be yourself and be honest about what you want. Select the right woman for you, or the right man for you.
My relationship advice is to be authentic and to let the other person be authentic.
Yeah, you can. What is your relationship like? Be honest about what you are. That's probably the best piece of relationship advice. And also give up on your hopes and passion everything you do. Be realistic.